Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can adapt ContractHero at any time to your individual requirements in contract management. Our goal is for you to choose a powerful contract management tool once and then have less work in the long run, both during setup and in your ongoing business. To customize ContractHero, you need to be an owner or have admin rights. Then on the left, you'll see this settings area. Here you can clearly see all the categories available to you, which you can of course also add to and customize. You can see the category sections for each contract category here, which naturally differ. And on the right side, you see a list of all possible fields. That is, all field values that can be extracted from a contract. Why do we differentiate by categories? Because, of course, an employment contract contains different important information than a freelancer contract, which in turn has different important information than a rental agreement, and so on. Saving time also means that I no longer have to search through each contract individually or look through every single contract page, but instead can simply find the information I need directly in ContractHero. I create a category using this little green plus, can of course select a template here, and in this way have the option to define individual category sections for each contract category. With this green plus, I create an additional section. This means I can rearrange certain fields within a section. This way, even data-intensive categories remain clear and organized. On the right side, you also have the option to create custom fields, again using the little green plus, and here you can also select different field types. For example, if you simply want to record yes or no for each contract detail, or if you want to record date fields, we offer many different options here so that the information can of course be further processed, and you always have a clear overview. There is no limit to the number of categories, but of course at some point it can become confusing. And the rule of thumb is all contracts that contain the same information should belong to the same category. Don't forget to save, and then you can happily continue working at any time. The goal is a contract setup that fits your individual contracts and internal processes. Of course, these change over time. This means that the contract field modular system in ContractHero can also be changed at any time. This way, you can record relevant information in a structured manner and create a better foundation for analyses, deadline management, and daily work. If you would like to use this in your company, book a demo via the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching.